Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking immediate steps. Install Docker Engine and Docker Compose, then confirm versions. Choose a host environment, local Linux, cloud VM, or managed service, and open required ports. Make sure you have at least 2 CPU cores for basic workloads. Create a Docker file and build artifacts, then draft a simple Docker Compose. YAML that declares environment variables and persistent volumes. Once done, build your image locally so you can test the container lifecycle before moving to deployment. Now you execute the core deployment steps and explain why each matters. Build and tag images, then push to a registry so other hosts can pull them. This enables immutable deployments. Define overlay or bridge networks, expose ports, and add a health check to let orchestrators know container status. Configure restart policies and CPU/memory limits to prevent noisy neighbors. Integrate CI/CD to automate builds, vulnerability scans, and deployments, and use automated rollbacks so you can safely revert if a release fails. Finish by hardening, monitoring, and knowing how to fix common issues. Run processes as non-root users and remove unneeded packages to reduce attack surface. Make key paths read-only where feasible. Deploy monitoring and centralized logging so you can track CPU, memory, and request latency. Set alerts on error rates and disk usage. If something goes wrong, first check container logs, then inspect Docker PS and Docker inspect for restart loops, and confirm registry image tags to rule out mismatched images. This sequence narrows down root causes fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.